Stay tuned for a long-winded video because I need advice and I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing, so I need help. I work on big trucks for a living. This is not my area of expertise, which is why I'm going to crowdsource this information or crowdsource this idea to see if it's going to work or not, because the internet knows all. Basically, if you know anything about CDI box ignition systems, this is the video for you. I need your help. This is my 1981 Honda CM200T motorcycle. I love to ride this thing, or at least I used to. I parked it due to electrical gremlins. It was about 3 years ago, something like that. Was it 2020? Yeah, like 2 years ago. Now, the electrical gremlins pretty much came from what I can tell, the fact that it's a cafe racer bike. Cafe racer bikes, at least the ones that you find around here, I don't know about other parts of the United States, a lot of the times the wiring harness is all kinds of butchered because, you know, cafe racer bikes get stripped down to the bare minimum. Kind of like a chopper, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And people tend to cut plugs off and get rid of things and this, that, and the other. The ignition system was kind of hodgepodge together on this thing to begin with. So when it started having the electrical gremlins, I parked it and I just randomly decided Sunday, I'm going to pull this thing out of the corner and we're going to rewire it so I can ride this thing again. Now, with that being said, I work on big trucks for a living, right? I don't deal with these ignition systems. I know almost nothing about them other than the 2 hours of research I put into learning about them last night. This bike originally came with a 7-pin CDI box, okay? It was probably really good technology for its time in the 80s, but there's a couple problems with the 7-pin CDI box that I'm having. The first of which is that I don't know where it is. When one of my buddies tried ripping it apart to fix the wiring a couple years ago, I think he may have thrown it in a corner and I can't find it. Whatever, you go buy a new one, right? I can't find a 7-pin CDI box anywhere that looks halfway reliable. I tried to call Honda. I really did. They told me to shove it up my ass. And let alone if you can find a 7-pin CDI box on the internet, it doesn't come with like a wiring diagram to tell you what exactly which pin goes where, this, that, the other, right? Does that make sense? So with that being said, I think I have a wiring diagram drawn up that I believe will work. And I kind of want to know whether I'm crazy or not, or if I'm on the right track, or if I'm totally off the board with this. Because I'll still use the CDI ignition, but I really just want to know whether this will work or not. Here's your wiring harness. The original 7-pin CDI used 4 wires that came out of the motor, right? We have a blue-yellow wire and a green-white wire that go to this trigger right here. On top of that, we have a normal white wire and a normal blue wire that come out as alternator wires to charge the capacitors inside of the original 7-pin CDI box. Now, what I want to do here is I want to separate the blue, yellow, and the green, white wire into 2 5-pin CDI boxes and give both of the CDI boxes an alternator wire apiece to charge the capacitors inside of them. After that, we'll run a dual kill switch wire to kill both of the CDI boxes. Each one of them will get their own individual ground. And then your coil wire will go out to 2 separate coils that will run 2 separate spark plugs. So basically, we'll go from using a single 7-pin CDI box to dual 5-pin CDI boxes. And instead of 1 coil with 2 plug wires coming off of it, we'll use 2 coils with a plug wire apiece coming off of them. Does that make sense? Does it make any sense? Based off of what I've learned, this should work. But I want to know if I'm missing something, or if there's something I need to add in here, or I need to do this, or I need to do that. Because I really just don't want to invest a bunch of time and money into this and be wrong and have to go back to the drawing board. Anyways, sorry the backstory was kind of long, but I figured it was worth telling why this has come about. But yeah, let me know if that will work or not. Because I think it'll work, but I want to make sure that it'll work.